the night before Christmas, and all through the night, the children slept soundly, wishing for delight. But when morning came, there was no light, for nature had released all its might. But this wasn't natural. No. This was the last wish of a very mighty fright.
Please pay attention to the screen. Please pay attention to the screen.
A very dangerous situation is currently ongoing in your area. This message was authorized for transmission by the National Weather Service and civil authorities. This is a civil danger warning. A civil danger warning means that an event that presents danger to a significant civilian population is ongoing or expected. Please listen for further instructions. As of 4:31 a.m. local time, an unexplained weather phenomenon has been occurring in your area. An unforeseen thick haze with a whitish hue is currently bringing deadly record low temperatures. Temperatures outdoors have dropped below -100 degrees and continue to fluctuate as time passes. Additionally, there have been reports of strange noises, as well as sightings of unnatural life forms coming from within the haze. These life forms are confirmed to be extremely hostile and will hunt down any individual who sees them. At this time, close all doors, windows, blinds, and barricade them. Stay in your home or secure shelter until further notice. Do not go or look outside. Get into the most interior room of your shelter or a room with no windows. Wear multiple layers of clothing and take heavy blankets and battery-powered area heaters to your secure room. Stay in your secure room until instructed by authorities. It is crucial that you stay calm during this emergency. Do not react to any strange noises you hear coming from outside your shelter. If something enters your shelter, stay completely silent. Take a self-defense weapon into your secure room. If the situation worsens, defend yourself by any means necessary. Gather enough food and water to last for at least 48 hours. Do not go outside or attempt to contact the unknown life forms in any way. Doing so will lead to certain death. Do anything you can to stay warm. It is more likely for the cold to kill you before the life forms do. Comfort young children and elderly persons through this event and assist them when necessary. Take a battery-powered radio to your secure room to stay updated through the emergency alert system. Failure to follow these instructions will put your life at risk. Emergency services such as police, fire, and medical services are unavailable during this emergency and will provide support when this warning has been lifted. More information on the situation will be given shortly after the warning is lifted. Your priority should be your survival. Stay inside. Stay alive. Thank you for your cooperation.
This alert will repeat every 15 minutes until new information is released. This is the emergency alert system. Thank you for your attention and cooperation.